Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Teachable Payouts to bank account detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing your Teachable Payouts to your bank account, log in to your Teachable account. On the dashboard, navigate to the Payouts section found in the left sidebar. Click on Payouts to open the Payout Management page. If you have not set up your bank account information yet, you will need to do that first. Locate the Payment Settings section on the Payout Management page. Here, you will find options to enter your bank account details. Fill in your bank account information accurately. Make sure to include your account number and routing number. After entering the information, ensure you save the changes. Once your account is set up, go back to the Payouts section. You will see your available balance and your pending payouts listed. To initiate a withdrawal, click the Withdraw button next to your available balance. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the withdrawal amount. Review the details carefully before proceeding. Once you confirm, your request will be processed. It may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. You will receive a confirmation email once the withdrawal has been successfully initiated. If you experience any issues, you can contact Teachable support for assistance. Keep track of your payouts and ensure that all transactions are noted in your financial records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.